Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can apply pan and zoom in Filmora Pro. So first you need to import your video to the timeline. For example, I'm selecting this video, and now what you have to do is you need to click on right click and you can crop and zoom, and you will be routed to this screen. And you can make also use this button, which is the crop button. Click on that and here you will be routed again on that similar screen. And now you can click on pan and zoom, and here you will see that your clip is starting from entire section and will be end on that point. So if you want to finish your clip on that particular part of the video, you need to fix the position of the video. So you can also drag it or make it more closer by using this end part. So once you're happy with your position, now you can play and check how it looks. And this is what you can see, that the pan and zoom section is applying on the video. So now click on apply, and now you will see that now your video is pan and zoom the particular part of the section of the video. So I hope you understand the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.